Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and firstly, happy new financial year. I hope last financial year was awesome for you. That you were able to get all your deductions in place before the 30th of June, and hopefully, if you have, you'll be getting a huge tax return very, very soon. And that's what today's video is all about: smart ways to use your tax returns. So, the first smart way is pay off your debts. If you have credit card debts, if you have personal loans, any personal debt that is outstanding, use your tax return to pay off your debts. You don't want to be paying interest in the high teens or the low 20s. If you have personal debt that has these high interest rates, the quicker you pay it off, obviously, the better it is for you. And lump sums over time will get rid of it a lot faster. And so I strongly suggest, if you're going to get a tax return, use it to pay off your debts. So that's the first smart way. Second smart way is invest your tax return. Now, when it comes to investing, what you're doing is you'll be earning or you'll be making money while you sleep. And why wouldn't you want to do that? Earn money while you're asleep. And that's what investing, as mentioned, is all about. Invest in some shares or invest in some managed funds or whatever it is. The aim is to make your money grow. And what I suggest you to do is to sit with a professional that will be able to guide you and help you in that process. Because there are a lot of things that you need to be mindful of when it comes to investing. And so that's the second smart way, is to invest your tax return. And finally, the third way is get financial advice. A lot of people think financial advice is for the wealthy, and it isn't. It isn't. Highly recommend you to sit with a financial advisor, and they'll be able to provide you with a roadmap to help you achieve some of your financial goals. And I promise you that roadmap will be worth a lot more than their initial fee. And so use some of your tax returns to pay for, to get the financial advice, because it will put you on the path, the correct path to help you achieve your goals. And I can promise you, it is an eye-opener for a lot of people, because a lot of people aren't aware of what's available for people to actually achieve some of their financial goals. And your financial advisor can definitely go through that whole process with you. And remember, financial advice is not for the wealthy. Everyone can afford, financial advice is for everyone. And so that's my third way, or third smart way, is go out and get financial advice. So that's it from me. 3 smart ways to use your tax return. Number 1, pay off your debts. Number 2 is to invest. And finally, number 3 is to go and get financial advice. So that's it. If you have any questions, write your comments below. Would love to hear them. If you have any topics that you'd like me to discuss or talk about in future videos, write them down below, and I will definitely do those topics for you. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.